Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are at a little park and we're just going to be exploring around nature for a little bit. So, we're at the little park in Winding Walk, Concord, Charlotte, and I'm going to show you around. First, here's a little view. So that's the view, and we're here just to explore around nature. So I have my friends with me, 3 friends, Lily, Hudson, and Landon. This is Hudson. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. This is Lily. Hey, 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 hey. And that's Landon on the swing. So that's my whole crew, and so today we're going to be exploring around nature. Yeah, cool. But the sun's getting low.
Yeah, so we gotta go quick.
No, we don't. We have...
It's still
You don't get it. So, the sun's setting, and we're going to get to exploring. Plus, we have a whole jungle/woods around us. It's going to be a beautiful time. Let's go.
And we already put 2 lizards to safety.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2. Wait, no. Oh yeah, 2.
No, 3. 3.
No.
So, we had some snake skin over here. I don't know where it is now.
Yeah, I think they might. Wait, maybe they got rid of it. No, I know where it is.
The sun's just going up and down today. It's getting really.
Oh, I see it.
Really. Jeez, what? Where is it? That's... Dude, that is snake skin.
That is actually snake skin, guys.
Dude, that is snake skin.
See? You
I
see
see
that
its head.
like, little mouth? There's like a little head. Oh my gosh. Once my mom had to go find...
There's a snake skin. See the mouth? See the eyes?
Yeah, that's really cool. And guys, dude,
That's really long.
guys, that's real long. Guys, I need to tell you something. So there's also teenagers over here. If you follow me, you can see this stuff over here.
It's graffiti.
Yeah.
They did that, and they hang over here doing some YouTube videos about drugs. Here's some more graffiti. Here's some more graffiti.
Yeah, right
Graffiti.
here. They're very mean. Very mean.
It says mean, I think. What does it say?
I don't know what that says.
Meevil? I think it says leave. It probably says leave.
No,
Yeah.
that's an M.
And then you can see some more right here. It's
Yeah.
so weird.
Yeah,
So-
this is really bad. Yeah,
We're at like a little, very little park. And so if you guys remember at my house from the last video, you could see all these things that me and Lily were doing.
Yeah.
And we drew like a couple pictures, right?
Yeah.
So,
The first one was Neon Cat, I think.
yeah.
I remember that show.
And then there's a little bench.
Yeah, there's a little bench.
My name is Mr. Bench.
Duh. We have 2 benches.
Someone do the dab. Hudson, show him your dab. What? Okay. What? Hey!
I can do the orange
Hey!
justice.
Do it! Look at him go, dude.
Yeah.
My name is Hudson. I am a rapper, but I don't know how to rap. And Lily does the dab all the time. Look! She does the dab, yo! Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, so there's Landon still in the swing.
You cannot do it now on the swing.
Okay, so we're back. We're gonna go explore near the bench that we just discovered, and so here we go.
But that snake skin was pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, that snake skin was awesome. So here's our surprising bench.
Looks like trash that we can stand on.
You can stand on. Here's our amazing red trees here.
It's almost
You guys can see it now since the sun's going brighter.
It's almost Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
No, it's almost Christmas. No, it's almost
It's almost Thanksgiving. Okay, so we're gonna go back into the the park.
Christmas is after Thanksgiving.
And so back into the park. If you guys remember that snake skin that we found, we picked out.
And what up?
Shh, 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 shh. What is that? Do you guys hear that?
We are not making
Shh.
that sound.
Shh. Yo, go to the woods. Yo, guys, there's something so creepy.
This is not for you.
Shh, shh, shh. It stopped. There's a lawnmower.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what was that sound?
I swear. We swear we did not make that sound.
We did not.
No.
Where's the snake skin? I need to see it.
What was that?
There's it. Go, run. Run! Okay, guys, we can't survive this. We're so scared.
Yeah, we're really scared.
Whew. Okay. Okay, we're back to safety. We're at some houses. There's my Nana calling me. That's my Nana over there.
We don't know.
Dude, that was so mysterious.
I know.
We'll see you guys in part 2 of the mysterious sound. We'll see you guys at part 2. Bye.